Could the ancient Egyptian Ogdoad be connected to Noah's family? The Ogdoad was a group of 8 deities that were considered to be primordial gods of creation in ancient Egyptian religion and were worshipped as early as the Old Kingdom period 2649 to 2130 BC. Their cult of worship centered around Hermopolis, also known as the City of the Eight. The 8 deities consisted of 4 husband-wife pairs, and their names were associated with the most basic qualities of water, infinity, and darkness. Both stories share a similar theme of a watery abyss and the emergence of life from it. While the similarities are intriguing, there is no concrete evidence linking the Ogdoad to Noah's family, but it's notable that similar flood myths and stories are found in various cultures worldwide, suggesting a shared cultural experience. The concept of a great flood appears to be a cultural universal, suggesting that some form of a great flood really did happen, leaving a significant historical and cultural mark on all humanity.